I am Murli. I work for a company called Vedavak Systems Limited organization in Hyderabad. And I also represent FTCCI. I'm a member at FTCCI. At first, I thank actually FTCCI leadership, our Mr. Suresh Singhal, and who took actually this initiative in short span of time, a decision that this we have to organize this exhibition. It will facilitate most of the manufacturing organizations, especially for SMEs. We have to leverage, even though time was not adequate, that he took a strong step that actually we should lead this exhibition at any cost. And we also have our convener, Mr. Vimlesh Gupta, who has dedicatedly involved in this entire exhibition right from the day when we have decided, and he has seen that actually these stalls are in place. We thank each stall member, business owners, managing directors, sponsors, and visitors for this event. It is one of the wonderful event. We need these kind of exhibitions for each and every entrepreneur, primarily for us to cut down actually our cycle time actually when we go for the order cycles, where minimum 10 steps are involved, which can be cut down when the visitor comes to the stall for understanding the products and placing the orders. I am very happy few of the stall owners have been indicating that we already got orders, and some of them have indicated there was a very good footfall, and we got very good number of inquiries. That's really a pride moment, because from the FTCCI point of view, our secretariat of Dynamic Madam Sujata, he or she also played a very key role along with our team, where we have actually 5 to 6 member team who have dedicatedly been working for almost 1 month to make this event successful. The quantum of effort is quite substantial, and we are very much happy when actually stall owners indicate there is a very good quantum of actually footfalls and actually orders and inquiries have been received for their organizations. And also, as we could see that India can grow only when each and every company takes strong effort in manufacturing, and we manufacture indigenously. That is the real growth of our country, and we should be able to export our products to any part of the global world. That's how we have to shape our dimensions, for which these exhibitions play a very key role. And the visitors who could not visit this location, please view this information, connect actually to the concerned actually stall owners, and actually look for your product lines. And also we look forward for all the actually business owners, a sustainable, profitable business to you all. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much from FTCCI. Murli here. Thanks a lot, please.